Angie. So, how have you been?
I've been okay, I guess.
Okay. Is there anything that bothered you this week, or?
Mm, I feel like I'm still have been walking on eggshells around my mother-in-law.
Oh, okay. How does that look like?
It just looks like intense, I guess. Like at home, I mean, kind of like door slams, passive aggressiveness, like silent treatment. So we've kind of been dealing with that. So it's been a little rough.
Okay. How long has that been going on?
About a week and a half since our last argument that we had.
Okay. And what do you usually feel like when that's happening?
I just feel like I don't want to be home. Like I kind of want to hide.
Okay. And where does that show up? Like, does it happen at home? Or like, how, if that makes sense, and what environments does that usually show up?
Well, with my mother-in-law, just at home. I feel like it kind of affects me at work too because I'm kind of distracted thinking about like I have to go home soon and I have to deal with this later. So I don't know. I feel like just all day just having like anxiety and like uncomfortable feelings.
Okay, so we're gonna try this thing out. It's called externalizing the problem. So basically, I want you to name a few feelings that you associate with when you have these problems.
Okay. Definitely anxiety. Uncertainty. And I don't know, maybe fear.
Okay, and what feeling feels like more prevalent?
The anxiety.
Anxiety. Okay, so we're gonna externalize this anxiety, and we're gonna name it something different. So, do you want it to be named anxiety, or do you think you want to name something else to kind of take it apart from who you are? If that makes sense.
Okay, yeah, we can name it. I don't know what to name
You
it.
can name it
Anything. We can name it pizza.
pizza. Okay, awesome. Okay, so we have pizza here, and how do you think pizza is affecting you in your daily life?
I would say it is consuming me. I mean, it's like from the second I wake up to even when I'm sleeping, like it's taking over me as a person. So that has a pretty heavy impact on me.
Okay, and so do you think pizza is affecting your life, and like it's not allowing you to live a more fulfilled life? Okay. Are there any situations where you feel like you don't have this anxiety and worry, and pizza is just not in the room?
Maybe when I'm on a vacation with my husband, or when I kind of am able to get out of my reality, so like not at work, not at home, like just me and my husband. I feel like that's when I feel like the least amount of it.
Okay. What are the feelings that you have when you are in those situations?
I would say relaxed.
Okay. So what would be the difference between you in vacation with your husband versus maybe you at home, your husband and your mother-in-law?
The difference, just the mother-in-law.
Just the mother-in-law? Okay. What exactly is the situation, if I can ask? Like, you said walking around eggshells, like, can you walk me through maybe coming into the house?
Yeah, so pretty much when I get home, if she's out in like the common area, she'll go to her room. Like she doesn't want to see me or be around me. So she's doing it to make it known that she doesn't want to be around me. So that automatically doesn't feel good to walk in the house and feel like she has to run and hide from me. Or vice versa. I mean, if she comes out and we're out, I feel like we have to be silent and just kind of like pass each other. So it just doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel happy.
And you said you mentioned you feel relaxed when you're like out, your husband doing something kind of that takes your mind away from things. So how do you think you can bring that relaxation into your home life and your situation with your mother-in-law?
I feel like I feel like things won't get better until I kind of mend the relationship or figure out like maybe find somewhere else for her to stay if that's what's gonna be best. But I don't think that things will ever get better until that problem fixes.
Okay. And let's go back to pizza and anxiety, right? Is there ways in which you've been able to push it away in a sense? Like, what did that look like for you?
When I pushed it away,
Yes, when you challenged it, you said, I don't want to feel anxiety no more. What did that look like?
I feel like it's like a temporary thing. But I mean, when I am able to say like, no, I'm not doing this. Like, I don't want to have a bad day. Like, I don't want to feel the anxiety. I feel like I can have like a little bit of relief, but then I feel like eventually reality kicks back in. So it's kind of like a temporary solution where I can live out of my reality for a second.
Okay. So I'm gonna suggest a little bit of homework for you. Think back on those days where you are able to push pizza away, anxiety away, and remember those like coping strategies that you used. And every time you do feel pizza's coming back, try to push it away using those strategies. Is that something you can do?
I can work on it.
Okay. Well, I'm so glad you came today. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you. You too.